Hi guys, I am so glad that we are on this final week and that we have the final release of the application. And very proud to, that I was able to accomplish everything that I said to accomplish, and that I was able to finally dedicate the time to learn and decode the Google as well as the Facebook authentication as third-party companies, and how to map those to my own personal company. So, as you know, this project uh, is basically a portal for a school educational management system where you can allow access to students and employees to their resources. As the students, they access their local class, their list of classes and courses, as well as the electronic material, and they can get access to their grades and so on. And as teachers, again, you can contact the students and additional functionality that can be enhanced and developed to this project. Again, this is the status report document. Everything was accomplished. So we are finally finishing this application. Here is the application again. And then, everything else is pretty much the same thing, all the functionality about the different navigations and sites and some of the features in the application, such as these sliding pictures, and all these different things. But specifically, probably one of the most complicated ones was the private access to their portal, the individual portal. And one of the things that we wanted to accomplish was to allow the students to log in with a company ID, such as, for example, 1111, and the password, and get access to their personal information as well as the list of courses and electronic material. But not only that, but also be able to use third-party authentication providers such as Google or Microsoft or Facebook and so on. So now when they click on it, if they haven't logged on to the system by their Google account, they will be asked, because probably I'm already logged in. It's gonna just go through, right in, and show me my information, and let me actually log in as somebody else, so you can see that it's actually uh, knowing who I am, because I'm already mapped between Google and the internal account. So now it says Cindy, but if I log in as me through Google, it knows it's me, and it switches back to Angel and loads the information for Angel and so on. Everything is coming again from real Google. Let me actually log out from Google so you can see that it's actually using the real Google authentication or Facebook authentication. This is Gmail on Google. I'm gonna click on the logout button, so sign out. So now I'm not authenticated to Gmail anymore. So if I go back and I try to log into the portal using Google, it will actually ask me to log in. So I actually need to authenticate for real to Google or Facebook um, to get access to the portal. So I just logged on and I'm authenticated. If the same thing if I do it with Facebook, the same thing. I'm probably already logged on again, so it knows who I am. But if I log out from Facebook, let me real quick show you that it is for real actually going to Facebook and logging in to Facebook. So let me log out from Facebook. Let me go back to my application now and try to log in with the Facebook account. And again, you can see that it's going to ask for my email and password from Facebook, authenticate me in Facebook, and then redirect me to my private portal as a student or as an individual. So everything was accomplished. I'm really happy because I actually have to do that for my real company that I'm working on. I have to implement third-party authentication for those providers. So I'm glad that I could use that as my exercise and then potentially use it on real life. I'm very happy with this class because it actually went through a real project that I can take advantage of for my job, and I learned a lot. I am including the handoff package with the actual code of the application. Everything is organized on the SRC on the source folder for the client and the server part. And then, of course, you have environment configuration scenes, and then you have images, all the images, all the way from the sketches to any image that I'm using on the application. and the documents that I created, such as inspirational URLs, change request form, maintenance plan, marketing plan, SEO plan, sitemap, wireframes, style guides, everything that I used on this project is on the handoff packet. So thank you very much for this class. It was really a great pleasure, and I'm glad that I'm graduating. Thank you.